Hello everybody. We just got done grilling some steaks. Got my truck warming up a little bit. I actually got to, I'm gonna run up the post office for a minute. I was gonna shut the shop up, but I think I'm gonna let it air out because it's still a little hazy in here. So I'll come along for the ride, I guess. Watch for the deer, everybody. Sometimes you can see some eyeballs over there in the trees. They're probably all bedded down by now. Well, Kansas City Chiefs lost to Cleveland. It's a tough game. I got to see bits and pieces and whatnot. Been working on the studio, and I had to give my construction workers a day off today, so we worked on some technical stuff. Whoops. You know what really ticks me off? I'll show you. If you're not happy with the food, you need to take the blankety blank back. Well, we're here. I think there's a trash can in here I can take it in. Sorry about the lighting. It's like 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. I can always take it home, put it in the burn barrel, but yeah, I'm sure there's a trash can in here. Yeah, there's a waste can. So anyway, we saw Miss Linda sauteed some mushrooms and seasoned up them steaks. I wasn't real hungry, but oh gosh, I still got steak seasoning in my pocket. I really like the Bourbon Street steak and Montreal steak seasoning with whatever else you put on it. Now there's my keys. So everybody's got Christmas lights up. That right there is the New Holland dealer in Kearney, Missouri. raccoon back there along the road. Sorry if it's shaking. I'm holding my phone up by the windshield by the dash. Some of you viewers have noticed hearing the airport noise. I'd say a little over a mile from the house, there's a mid-continent airport, I believe it's called. It's a small airport. And here's somebody coming in for a landing right here. I don't know how well it's focused, but floating down there. Can't even hear the engine over my pickup. Nice smooth landing. Well, back at the house, I guess we'll go in and close up the shop. Set these right here. Oh, wait a minute. I almost forgot what I had in the pickup when I went to the store. I stopped by the gas station for a minute. I was craving some ice cream, but I didn't get ice cream. And I haven't had any of this for quite a while. I got me some chocolate milk. So, whoops. Let me move my fat finger out of the way. But yeah, I'm doing this on my phone tonight. Good grief. Get my fat finger out of the way. And, yeah. So I hope y'all had a good weekend. It's, I don't even know what time it is, probably 8 o'clock. And, got to get up early and hit it hard tomorrow. Don't know where I'm going yet. Hard telling. And that door is heavy. I've got an insulated door on this side of the shop. The other door is not insulated, but the original plan was to, I don't know, when I had this done, I was going to enclose this side of the shop, separate it from the other side. That was a couple years ago, because I used to bring, when I had horses, I would bring them in. Good grief, where is it? I'd bring them in that door right over there. And I didn't even have to use a lead rope to bring them in and out of the barn. They knew which stalls to go in. And I just use them now for storage. Used to keep about, 50 to 60 square bales of hay up there. And a lot of memories. Do I miss it? Part of me does. I had a friend, after I had to put my Palomino down. Oh, good grief. Had this rock painted. And I just keep it in here in the shop on a little shelf here. I thought that was pretty cool. So, well, I drank all that chocolate milk, the rest of it. Ooh, there's a little smidgen left in there, huh? Man, it's been a long time since I've had chocolate milk. So anyway, I can leave this steak seasoning out here. Hope you all had a good weekend, and give me a thumbs up on the video, please. And again, thank you for the recent subscribers. And well, we will talk to you later. Say hi to a stranger. And that's about all I can tell you. I guess I ran out of things to say. That's kind of odd. So anyway, y'all sleep good tonight. We'll talk to y'all later. Say bye.